Welcome back! Now that you have modified the main settings, we can start personalizing your website. For that, you can start by clicking Appearance on the main menu. The tab Themes refers to the selection of themes you previously chose from when you created your website. You can select this page if you are not satisfied with the website theme you selected at any moment. You can once again go through all the themes available, even those if needed payments, and select the one that you prefer to have. Let's assume that we like our website, but we just want to customize it. Then you can select the tab Customize under the Appearance menu. You will be redirected to another page that regroups all the elements that you can personalize on your website. You can see all those elements on the left menu. On the right, you have an example of your website to see the changes as you modify the elements. We can start by modifying the site identity. This page can help you to change the site title. For example, we can create text and add tagline. Then you will see the modification appearing on your website. You can also decide to add a logo by selecting a logo that you already created. If you want to create a logo, you can select Create a Logo and you will be redirected to another website associated to WordPress for the creation of logo. You can also modify the footer or select a site icon. Once you agree on all the changes, you can save them by clicking on the blue button on the top left corner. And you can go back to the previous menu. The next tab is called Menu. Under this tab, you can add a menu to your website by selecting Add a Menu and choose the name of the menu, such as Menu, and its location, for example, primary location. And you can click on Next to see it appear on your website. Once you are done, you can save the changes and go back to the previous menu. On this menu, you can now see the tab Homepage Settings. Once again, this tab allows you to modify the main page of your website by choosing if you want the latest post to appear or if you prefer having a static page, and if so, choose which one. Here we are selecting the page Home. On the previous menu, you can also select Colors, which allow you to modify the color of your website. You can here change the primary, tertiary color and the background. On the example that I choose, I only can change the foreground and the background. These depend on the theme that you choose for your website. But for all of them, you can just click on the color and select the color that I want. For example, I would like orange, and you can see appearing on my website. The menu will become orange. And if I want to change the background, I can simply do the same thing and select here a change. Once I am satisfied of the changes, once again I save them and I go back to the previous menu. After that, you can select the menu Fonts. This tab permits you to modify the fonts of your website's text, either the body font or the heading font. And once again, you can see the changing appearing as you modify them. Once you are satisfied, once again, save your changes before going back. Finally, the last tab of the menu is called Additional CSS. This is accessible only if you have a paid plan, as it permits you to modify and add even more features to your website. You can decide to upgrade your plan Or if you don't want, you can just go back and you have done the customization of your website. Congratulations! In this task, you have completed your customization. In the next task, you will learn how to add pages.